Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is a Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. Right now it's 11 o'clock. And today is also kind of special because it's the last day of the month. So since the future open yesterday, if we look at here, is that after the market close, market kind of drop a lot and almost kind of feel like the market kind of crash. But later it's steadily kind of coming back. And by the open, it pretty much open. Well, here it says it open up a little bit, but I think that it opened down a little bit here. But it seems like it's going pretty strong, and especially to me is that this opening zone, and it literally just a few bar here, it kind of close above this opening zone, and after that it basically is kind of really going up pretty hard. Some kind of like a consolidation here, but it seems like every time it make a new high and it come back down, consolidate and come make higher and going higher. So it's like first it's testing this the range like about 24 points, and after it was able to get through, it's looking to it be able to go like 46 points, and then after that it's going up to like 96 points. And today is so we know the market closed at like 83 86 85, up by like 85 86, but from the low to high is like this more than 100 points. If you know about it, it's like a 100, almost 100, like 20 points, not quite. So it's a pretty close still, and apparently it ran really hard. And with that said, it kind of go higher and making higher, and basically overnight AOD ran kind of all the run. It kind of went up by over 70 points, and when the market opened, it came back down a little bit, as we can see here on this side on the S&P 500. It opened and it looks a little bit bearish. It went down this opening zone. It actually broke below. The good thing is it been still pretty strong, and it stay above like a 54.90 level, and pretty quickly, I mean I probably cannot say really quickly, it did here trying to make another low again here, but later it kind of coming back up and breaking above this opening zone, and which is a very good sign. It went to it's eventually went to this base, which this is second. This is basically is like it ran like 87 points here. And yeah, after that, it pretty much it kind of like a finish the run. It come back down. It came back down to this what's this level? There's a 55.12 ish the level. But later it come back up again and make a new high. Don't forget that we still have Fed minutes, unlike Fed rate decision. And look at here. This is kind of like the basically it's the high of the day. It came back down, and here it came back down really hard. It actually went back down more. How many points here? Yeah, there's about like a 20. What I recall is like a more than 21 points. It came back down here pretty hard, and then but that's yeah, that's right before the kind of like a 12 o'clock. But it was able to come back, and at 2:30, by 2:30, if we look at here, it's like this is not really a huge move here, not like unlike other times that we are talking about. I mean, this bar is 2 o'clock is only kind of 10 points wide, so it's way better and be able to handle. And this is at 2:30 the Fed conference, and this 2:35, and this is another 9 points wide. That kind of the bar. Long story short is that it's steadily moving up after the here. This is kind of like a panic before the Fed minutes coming out. I mean, announcement coming out. And later here it went all the way up to kind of 55, 51. And actually that's the level there's kind of about 43 points above this center, like a 55.08. And later it gave back all of those. It's come back down, almost hitting this 55.08. It did not quite get there, but it eventually kind of come back and close around this base, which is right at like a near 87 points. So it closed at 55.22 and 3. And right now the future already open. It's been kind of running a bit for a while already, and it's kind of choppy, but the key thing is that the opening here, it went quickly above this opening zone, and it had been staying above the opening zone. And based on how much it can run right now, I believe tomorrow is going to be able to run probably around 60 points. So likely that would be the mark that it's shooting for. And that could mean from here on it could run to about 56.15, and it could go to probably 56.30. So we shall see. In terms of the calendar, Thursday is Thursday, the first one is non-farm payroll productivity, some like a unit labor cost, continuing jobless claims, and so there's some job data coming out, and then have a S&P like a global manufacturing like a PMI data coming out as well. Manufacturing employment and construction spending, manufacturing new orders, prices, and 10:30. So it comes the like a natural gas stock, like a inventory. So after that, as usual, 11:30, it seems that there's always some kind of treasury auctions going on. And at 12 o'clock, have the mortgage rate data coming out. And after the close, it has like a Fed balance sheet coming out. So, looking at the market, kind of the behavior right now, it seems that it's kind of in a race to higher, and we shall see what's going to happen tomorrow. And apparently Friday comes like a non-farm payrolls, and yeah, that's a significant event. Whether the market going to front run to the non-farm payroll or what, then that would be kind of interesting. It look as of right now, it looks like yeah. So we shall see. Okay. That's all I have to share. And yeah, as I said, I could run like 60 points, like about 60 points tomorrow. So we're looking at on the SPX, like a S&P 500 side is it will run to probably like a 5580 level, and it could likely kind of going to hit 5600. So who knows. And going down, in terms of downside, being the fact that right now they up like 31 points already, and yeah, if we say it's tumbling down, it probably we are looking at 5500 level. So it's going to be a pretty interesting day tomorrow, and but as of right now, it looks going up, and also based on some like Fed decision and things like that, it seems like kind of positive for the market. Okay, thank you. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.